Alrighty, today's problem. We're going to write a function that takes a string, name, and a number, 0 or 1, and returns hello with the name if the number is 1, otherwise bye with the name. Pardon me. So this is what we're going to pass through the function, but what we want to do is we want to change, the other thing we want to do is we want to change this lowercase b to an uppercase b and this lowercase s to an uppercase s. So put the video on pause, give it a shot, then come on back and I'll show you how I did this. Alrighty, so here we go. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice off this first letter. We're going to take the name in and we're going to slice off the first letter. Next, we're going to take that letter and we're going to replace that letter with an uppercase version of it. And next, we're going to check. So we'll create an if-else statement. So if the number coming in is equal to 0, we're going to console log out by plus the name, which we've changed with the uppercase letter to for the first letter, and otherwise it's going to say hello. So we'll run it. There we go. Okay, and that's it for today, and I'll leave a link to how to use uppercase and replace in the description, as well as slice. We'll see you. Bye-bye.